Have you ever wanted to create infographics that are so beautiful they seem out of this world? If you have, then stick around for what's about to happen. Welcome to this wonderful video where one of our contest experts will walk you through the process of creating a truly beautiful and exceptional infographic. Without further ado, let's begin. First, we establish the slide size you want for the infographic. To do this, we use the Page Setup button. The orientation of the slide can be horizontal or vertical, and we can select whether to have it in A4 or a custom size. Once that has been defined, we will need to go to the master slide and select the main colors you want for the infographic. We will be using a complementary color palette, which includes blue, yellow, and gray. Next, we will insert shapes and graphic elements to build the infographic, just like that. This is starting to take some shape, huh? Don't get too excited, we are just getting started. Using rectangles and triangles, we can create the illusion of a path. To complete this illusion, we can use white rectangles with low opacity so it looks like a stair. The goal here is to make each rectangle smaller and narrower, to give it more depth and make it look like it's a journey. We want the header to be nice and big so it's clear what the topic of the infographic is. The goal of this infographic is to achieve a clean and minimalistic look, which is currently trending. To accomplish this, we have chosen a beautiful non-serif font. Now, let's add some consistency to the design. It's now time to add some graphics. Using several circles, we can create this shade and then use it throughout the infographic. By having multiple elements look the same throughout the infographic, this piece of art is starting to look a whole lot better and consistent. Pretty cool, isn't it? Infographics typically hold a lot of data. We can do this by adding some charts. Click on the chart button and an Excel spreadsheet will open so that we can insert the data we want to present. Of course, we can change the shape and the colors of the chart to match our infographic. Let's keep the legend in the chart so it's easier for the reader to know what's going on. We can also modify the font so it matches the rest of the presentation. Another chart commonly used in infographics is the pie chart, which we can design just like the other two charts we have shown here. Let's add the data and then modify the design so it matches everything else. Remember, consistency is key. For this chart, let's go ahead and remove the title and the legend and apply our color palette and font type. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Next, let's add a copy of the same pie chart for consistency and because we want to move fast. Time is money, so working fast for our clients is key. To modify the data on this copied chart, click on the Edit Excel Data button, which you can find at the top right of the screen. Once this is done, we will have two charts with the same style but different highlighted data, which is perfect for comparisons. To make this better, we should reuse the elements we created at the beginning of the video. After reusing the elements, we can make sure to change the colors so they match this part of the infographic. By using the Align tool, we can make sure they are perfectly aligned. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make things look balanced and professional. Again, thinking about contrast, we chose white icons. Aside from creating a beautiful contrast with the background, they match the general look and feel of the infographic. Now, let's take our infographic to the next level. To do this, we will present more data using more graphic elements. Keep in mind that chart legends are crucial for conveying a message. We want to make sure our readers know what we are trying to express through the charts. Again, using the alignment tools, our legend will look absolutely exquisite. Once again, let's design some icons so we can get that personal and unique looking infographic we are shooting for. This is simple to do using basic PowerPoint circles and rectangles. Arrange these shapes in the right way and voila! A new human icon is complete. Now we can copy and paste our little guy and use the alignment tool to arrange everything so it looks like a chart. To end this chart with a cherry on top, let's make sure our data matches the legend. Great! To finish off this heavenly infographic, let's insert some bar charts. The bar charts can be either horizontal or vertical. Our infographic already has too many vertical elements, so we will go ahead and use the horizontal charts to add a bit of balance. Using the quick layout tool, we can modify the elements for the design so they match our infographic. We will keep the data on the x-axis and delete everything else. On the footer, we can add a conclusion as well as any sources we've used in the infographic. Remember to add the company logo for brand awareness and recognition. If this infographic goes viral, I think you'll want to make sure people know where it came from, right? Let's give one last quick look at the infographic, all the way from the top to the bottom. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? I think this is love at a first glance. Alright, that is it for this video. If you found this useful in any way or form, please let us know in the comment section or by sending us an email. We sincerely value each and every one of you and promise to reply every single message. If there's any topic you would like us to cover next, please do let us know. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with everyone you know. Consus out.